Hello, I have a toy unboxing. I am unboxing a case of these pint-sized heroes, Masters of the Universe. I had no idea about these until a couple weeks ago. One of my favorite toy collectors posted on Instagram that he had got a couple of these, so I called my Funko contact and he got me a case of these. So here I go. It is an unopened box, so there is 24 in here. I've opened pint-sized heroes before, so I know there's going to be 2 of each. There's no more rare than others, 2 of each. So, and I had to look up all the characters' names because it's been a long time since I've seen any He-Man cartoon, so I didn't remember the names. And I hear the neighbor's dog barking. Oh my god, so annoying. Sorry for that. Still too early to call and complain, so we will just put up with that dog. You might not even be able to hear it, but I can hear it perfectly. So first bag, let's see. There is a checklist. Alright, and we get He-Man right off the bat. Very nice. Very angry looking He-Man. He's not a happy camper. He don't like barking dogs either. So, oh my god. So what this checklist is, there are 3 exclusives that we will not get in today's box. The exclusives are for like Walmart, Hot Topic, and I think GameStop. And this is just their for everyone else box, not those 3 stores. I really wish I could get one of those boxes, but I've tried. I can't. I mean, I could go to the actual store and pay like full price. I'll be honest, I did pay for this, but I don't pay what you pay, if you know what I'm saying. I get a little deal. So, that's one reason I buy a whole box, because I get a little deal. But I'm not Hot Topic, so I will not. So the 3 exclusives are He-Man, the blue form, and I didn't look these up because I didn't know about them, and then the evil female lady, I forgot her name. Someone remembers her name, comment down below. And then this guy wearing sunglasses. I don't know these 3. So anyway, if you know their names, comment down below. I do know the 12 that we will be looking at today. So, let me just put this checklist back in the bag. I do hate that I don't have the exclusives, but I could always go to Hot Topic and buy a bunch if I really wanted them that bad. But what I'll end up doing is buying them from eBay. I'm paying a little more and just buying them from eBay. Okay, so the next one is the Battle Cat. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. I'll be honest, I don't have any He-Man figurines, but I have the what is it called? The castle? Gray Castle? I don't remember the name. I have all the action toys that go with it, just not the figurines. I got them in an auction, just haven't done anything with them. They're all sitting in my basement. So this one is Man-at-Arms, his buddy. I don't know. Don't remember that character. I had to look that one up. So yeah, I have all the cool, the castle, all the cars. No, it wasn't cars, but like there's a spider thing. I have all that. I haven't sorted it yet. I want it at an auction and I just haven't done anything with it yet. There might be figures in there. I really need to go through it. I'll do a video on that. So alright, here's our second He-Man. So remember, we're going to get 2 of everything. Grayskull, right? His castle was called Grayskull? Am I thinking of the wrong cartoon? I think I read somewhere they're doing a remake, so. Alright, next one is, okay, now that's very weird. Battle Cat. So right off the bat, I'm getting the 2 duplicates right next to each other. You would think they'd mix them up a little bit better in this case. I just opened the case from the top. I'm just pulling it out from the top. So, let's see. Next one is, okay, the Merman. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. Oh my god, I need to start throwing these on the floor. They're gonna take up my desk. Okay, and here we go again. This is the Man-at-Arms. So if you're buying these at the store, you might want to shake the box up because I'm getting the doubles right next to each other. Usually they mix them up. Alright. Next one. Next one is, okay, She-Ra. There you go. Is it focusing? Very pretty. I have her castle too. I actually do have the She-Ra figurines. I got that in an auction too. And then, oh, so weird. The not merman. I almost said Aquaman. This is Aquaman. No, merman. So you cannot see it because it's lined up on my laptop, but I have 4 that are duplicates right off the bat. Which we know we're getting 2 of each. My point is like, you think it'd be mixed up with a little variety in the box? Because this is the display box. Like, so when you go to Walmart, this is the display box. This pops open. This is closed. This pops open. And this is where, if you were buying from Walmart, you would pick out how many bags you want. So they're not mixed up very well, is all I'm saying. And then remember, I get the box, so I get 2 freebies, which is a Skeletor and a He-Man. Why can't they, like, give me some limited ones? Okay, so this, oh my god. This is Panther, and he is covered in felt. Oh, what is it? It's not called felt. It's, okay. Flocking. They call it flocking. He's flocked. Sounds kind of funny, but that's what it's called. So he's covered in purple fuzz. He's textured. That is so cool. I didn't know they were really going to do that. That is so cool. So he's flocked. I'm sorry. I get amused by the littlest things. Okay, so the next one, who's also flocked, is Mossman, which is appropriate. He's covered in moss. This is so cool. They are textured. Very nice. Okay. The next one. Next one is, what is this guy called? Trapjaw. I do have a cheat sheet because I knew I wasn't going to remember everyone's names. Alright. Next one. I really do love these pint-sized heroes. It says 1 out of 12. See, that's interesting. So on this bag, you don't, if you were just like an average toy collector and didn't know that all these other stores had limited edition ones, just looking at the bag, you don't know about those 3 other exclusives. It's when you look at the checklist, which She-Ra, we got our second She-Ra, then you know that there's these exclusives. And they're not saying where they are exclusive. I just know through experience that it's like Hot Topic, GameStop, and not Walmart, because this is like what they would sell to Walmart. So if you know the other store that is, sometimes Target, sometimes Funko does exclusives with Target. So I'd have to look it up to see where these 3 are exclusive if you wanted, if you were trying to get them. But the thing is, like, if you go to that store to take your chance, it's mixed in with a regular box. So then you have a chance of getting all these others. So, like I said, I have good contacts, but not a contact at Hot Topic, so I can't get those. So next one, this is in the view. Okay, ooh, Panther again. I'm loving these flocked ones. That's gonna be my word of the day. Flocked. Alright. Next one is, ooh, Orca. I actually do have several toys of him. I have found just random toys. They had this wind-up toy where it was him, and then you had this like long blue cord, and you stuck it in him, and you pulled it out real quick, and it made him like spin. I've actually found that several times. So I haven't seen any of the other characters do that, but for whatever reason, I see Orca a lot. And every time I come across a He-Man figurine, like at a flea market or an estate sale, they're always overpriced. So I rarely pick up any He-Man figurines because they're always overpriced. And I like He-Man stuff, but I'm not a collector. I mean, I love these, but sure, if I saw a He-Man at an estate sale at an incredibly cheap deal, I'm going to pick it up. But I'm not a collector enough to pay high dollar for it, is what I'm trying to say. Alright, next one is this guy, Beastman? Who is it? Beastman. Yeah, they weren't really original in their names. I didn't even know that was a name. I just called it Beastman. So, and same with She-Ra toys. I don't see them a lot. I see Strawberry Shortcake a lot. I see My Little Pony. But honestly, He-Man and She-Ra toys, I just don't see a lot in my hunt for at estate sales and thrift stores. This was Trapjaw. So the only one we're missing now, we're almost done, is we have not seen Skeletor and we have not seen the Sorceress. And I've got like five more to open. And this one is Beastman again. So, and I know I had Trapjaw, so pretty much 2 on everything so far. And let's see, next one, oh here she is, the Sorceress, so pretty. Alright, and here we go, we're looking for Skeletor. Where is Skeletor? Here we are, speak of the devil, there is Skeletor. He is really creepy looking. I love it. Alright, that one I definitely love. Put that checklist back in there. Alright, 3 more. Let's pull them out. 3 more. Alright. Mossman. So cool. Those are going to end up being my favorite. And then, oh my god, I love them all. Our second Sorceress. So I can tell you right now, because I'm psychic, you didn't know that about me. Not really. This is going to be Skeletor. This is going to be Skeletor. Oh my god. What a shocker. It's Skeletor. Okay. So they are cool. They aren't, sorry, I just went out of focus. I do love Skeletor. They're all, you know what? I love them all. I was going to pick my favorites. They're all really cool, but I will pick a favorite because it's Panther. This is cool, and the fact that they flocked him, I'm sorry. It's so cool. That's what they call it. I swear. I could be wrong. I'm not, though. It's called flocking. They did this to My Little Ponies in the 80s. And Disney did a series of pins of the Duffy Bear where they flocked him, but they didn't do a lot. It just didn't catch on, and I'm sure it's not cheap to do this, so that just makes it really special. I love it. And then of course Mossman is flocked, so I'm gonna have to say these are my 2 favorite because they're textured, they're cool, and it's already 13 minutes I've been going on, so I'm going to get off. This is the He-Man Masters of the Universe pint-size heroes. You know I love pint-size heroes. They're small, they're cute, they're easy to store. I love Funko overall, but if you've ever seen like a true Funko collector, like they'll have like a whole wall of all their Funkos in boxes. They take up space. Funko takes up space. I have a lot of Funko. I don't keep the original boxes, but I kind of quit collecting the bigger Funkos because they take space. But these are so cute. You could put like all 24 on one little shelf, the same shelf that would maybe hold one huge Funko Pop. You see what I'm saying? So that may be one reason why I love them so much, because they're small and cute and they don't take up as much space, so I can collect more of them. So, because as you see in the back, I'm running out of space for my collection. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.